And it looks pretty cloudy. Oh, I keep wondering, is it going to rain? Yeah. I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of roll out. Reason being is I could see around that corner where I was at back there. And this bike is not the fastest, so. If it was a nicer day out, I wouldn't be so worried, but with it looking like thunderstorms, just, you know, and not knowing where I'm at necessarily. Oh, that says dead end, no outlet. So I'll say maybe I'll turn, head back that way. General direction, you know. If I have to, I can always pull out my phone and hope I have a single. Probably less chance of having a single than in Colorado. I know. I'm like, I literally have no idea where I am. It's been a long time since I've been out like that. I mean, if it was a nice day and there was no rain, it'd be like, okay. Like, I'm literally lost. And I don't want to use my phone, that's the thing. Because this reminds me of my old street bike days where I was just like, oh, turn here, turn there, you know? And then that's kind of what I miss about not having like a street bike or getting a adventure bike, that I would be able to just do that. You know, adventure bike a lot easier than a street bike. Like, oh, I'll turn here, I'll turn there, see where I end up, and if you find cool stuff. I used to do that in my car all the time. Found some cool areas in my car here in Tennessee. And see, people are friendly. I mean, if I had to go up to that guy's house, he'd probably help me, you know? I just never feel that welcoming in Colorado, you know? And the few times in the middle of nowhere, people were just downright nasty, like, where'd you come from? Didn't you see the gate? Didn't you read the sign? Like, well, obviously I'm lost. I'm not tearing up anything. Like, please, how do I get to that trail? That should be over there. On the other side of your fence there should be a trail. How do I get to that public trail? You gotta go back the way you came. I'm not helping you. Like, really? Yeah, you know, people here live in the middle of nowhere and might be isolated, some, you know, keep to themselves, but they seem more friendly if they do need to help somebody. And that's what's nice about the South. Just in general, it's nice. It looks like we're kind of looping around. I mean, yeah, this bike works pretty good here. Just other than the like interstate issue, or not interstate, the highway issue, I should say. It's not interstate. The you know, it does really good. Okay, now I'm somewhat heading back to the general direction. In fact, this might be the road that there was a car at the intersection that confused things because it wasn't a all stop. I do believe this might even be. No, this ain't it. It was kind of weird. Was that a merge lane? I don't know. Old stacked wall. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of work. All the way down the property line. Be there a long time though. Oh, I think I'm gonna run into where I came from. Oh, we have a stop sign here. Huh. Okay. It's amazing in a rural area, like somebody has to put up a sign that says under video surveillance. It's like, it has to be the neighbor robbing you. I mean, I guess they get like town people, you know, that probably drive around and look for stuff. Like, hey, that's a building that could break into, might have something in it. Middle of the night type thing. Pretty ballsy, really. Oh, because you don't even know what could be in it. Might be nothing. Oh, empty building, okay. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna... So apparently if it gets deep of water, turn around, don't drown. Guess this can flood. Although it seems, I mean, it seems like if it flooded, that creek would be very, very bad. Okay, I came from the left. So I did like a circle down here. Well, that's kind of cool. I am doing a little loop. I might, as I'm heading back, alternate my route a little if I have the opportunity. Yeah. This is it. You see? I mean, middle of nowhere. Like I was saying, like repaved road. Like, why? Some of these could just stay gravel, you know? I'm okay with more gravel roads, just when you're in a rural area, just for the simple fact that it costs more for tax money to take care of. And a local can't just easily fix a road. Like gravel, I mean, you could tend to the road if you wanted, like locals, you know? Oh, so nice out. So cool, but so scary if it starts like dumping rain, thunderstorms. So now, let's go test this on the property before it rains. Just want to see what it can do. Hope I don't drop it. I'm not used to this slick, grassy vegetation. I like rocks and boulders and stuff that's fairly dry. Although if it does get wet, it can be, it's awful because it's like clay powder that turns into clay in a lot of areas. In Colorado and Utah. Probably New Mexico and Nevada and Arizona too.